Welcome to another Product Tour video. It's Michelle here again, and today we're going to talk about conducting eDiscovery and investigations with our platform using our fast federated search application, Search and Discover. Historically, conducting searches with collaboration datasets has been really challenging, and that's putting it nicely. You're missing key context, dealing with reactions, emojis, deleted and edited messages, screenshots, and worst of all, you have to sort through clunky JSON files to find the information you need. Today, I'm going to show you how Aware makes all of that easier. Let's start on the screen. You can see that you can conduct searches on really anything of interest to you: people, key topics, behaviors, and so on. We're going to conduct an investigation on one of our users. So we'll start by clicking Create New Search. Here's an added layer of security. You can choose what roles within the Aware platform have access to the search and its results. Next, we'll name the search, and this is going to be an investigation on James Webb. As I mentioned, you can choose different parameters for your search. And what's really great about our search program is that you can search in all of your integrated content platforms with just a single search. So we'll make sure they're all selected. We'll enter Jane's email. Any associated keywords, so if we're looking for a particular behavior. And we're going to search all of her records, but you can choose a custom time frame. And finally, we offer additional AI analysis options, so we can surface sentiment, toxic speech, language, code associated with our results. So let's go ahead and start our search. And our searches take a few minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you a completed investigation. So this is one we did into James Miller. And as you can see within the results, you can filter by AI analysis, source, the attachments included, if the messages have been modified, edited, or deleted, and the different platforms. Within each individual message, you can take a look if there's an image associated, the reactions, who was involved. The final piece here serves to greatly simplify your overall workflow. So you'll want to actually select the messages you want to export. You can also mark the content if there's specific messages of interest that you found, and then export it into a variety of formats. So as you can see, we have some standard file formats, but what's really great are two new ones. The first is RSMF. So this is intended to be used with Relativity's platform, and it's essentially going to be seamless to import your results into Relativity, making your workflow a lot easier. And this includes all of your images and files. We're going to choose the PDF format because what's really great about this one is it gives you all of the results in a conversational format. It makes it really easy to consume and disseminate amongst your team. This is what actually gets rid of the need for clunky JSON formats. You don't need to squint at it to understand the context. It's all presented right in front of you. So we'll go ahead and set up this export, and then you can choose the surrounding context. We can go up to around 24 hours before and after results and choose how many messages surround the results. So you can understand the who, what, when, where, why, and how a conversation took place. Then we'll go ahead and create this export. When it's completed, we'll go ahead and make sure that you get an email. Thank you so much for following along with me as we completed an investigation. We'll see you next time for our next video.